What about Garden Beating followers? Good morning to you, and hope you got plans to be outside today, because it's going to be glorious. So yesterday was paint the shed. Now today we're going to prep the canoe for the camping trip next weekend. So got her lowered down, did a quick wash, knocked the dust off of it. She had about 2 inches on her, hadn't used her in a while, and got a skid plate kit and some new decals. So we're going to give her the OTLC today. So stay tuned. I will say that I am very pleased with my canoe storage system here. I just cranked that thing up and lowered it down just perfect like that. Perfect level for me to work with. I don't have to bust out any sawhorses or anything like that, and it's pretty stable. I mean, I'm not going to be rocking on it or anything, but got her washed, go let her dry. Got some new Old Town decals and a bunch of others go on the ends of it, and a skid plate kit too, so we're going to get that rolling. But we'll let her dry first, and then we'll get to work. So we're gonna go on and get these old decals off. Got me some sticker remover here. Just gonna spray it on just like that. And let that sit for a few minutes. All right, our sticker solvent's been on there for a little bit. I'm gonna take me just a normal paint scraper and just kind of perfect. All right, so the instructions said to measure from here up probably 14 inches. I thought that was a little much, so I went 12. I want a little bit more on the front, but that's a piece of felt that come in the kit, and just laid it out for positioning purposes. We're gonna take a Sharpie and put dots along the edge all around, just to give me the pattern of where it's gonna lay out, and go from there. Oh, just put dots ever so, just to get the outline of it. Now, the kit comes with a piece of sandpaper here. It's 40 grit, it's pretty rough. I'm gonna scuff up the finish here. Don't wanna go too deep, but it's pretty beat to hell already, but we'll do a little bit more. And I looked another step further in the instructions, and since my boat is a polyethylene boat, I get to do a special step. So we'll sand first. All right, got both ends sanded. Now here's my extra step, because my boat's a polyethylene boat. It requires a torch. So I have to run this along here. I guess it messes with the chemical composition or whatever, but I'm gonna try to do it without having to take this tape off, because I won't get it like that again. I know I won't. So let's go. Very low flame. With my luck, I'd burn right through it. I'm not melting it. I'm just kind of heating it up, I reckon. All right, here's the resin that comes in the kit. It comes in 2 cans of resin and 2 cans of hardener, so you don't have to hurry up, because I got about a 20-minute time window, so I don't have to do it all in 20 minutes. And stern sticks for each one, and just a ratty old paintbrush, disposable, and definitely wearing gloves here. So I'm gonna mix these up. All right, got our resin mixture here. Just gonna really soak this down. Okay, got the first plate on. Something I didn't take into account, that when I put the resin and the hardener on it, it kind of stretched it out. So it was measured perfectly to begin with, and then it went longer. So I had to peel back the tape and kind of, I don't know, made it work. So on to the next one. All right, and skid plate number 2 on. That's a little bit more of a hassle than I thought it would be, but it's on there, and wait 24 hours and hopefully it'll set up good. I'm gonna wait probably 7 or 8 hours and then take the tape off of it, so I'll get that nice clean line. That's just my personal preference, but I'm pleased with that so far. I'm happy with that.